Let's give this back to the owner because it's not mine. Hi guys, it's me again, Mumay, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to do another unboxing, and the item we have right now is an iPhone 12 Pro. Wow! We ordered it online and it was delivered today, just today. So yes, let's open it. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Okay, so now, okay, let's see the packaging. Here, there's a plastic. Actually, we received this with this bubble wrap, so it was wrapped, and yes, and we know that it's safe. This is iPhone 12 Pro. I think this is 128. The capacity of this iPhone is 128 GB. So let's open the box. You'll see. Let's open it. Are you excited? I'm excited too, but you know guys, this is not mine. Just a disclaimer, this is ordered by my friend, and she wants me to do the unboxing. Okay, so let's open it slowly. See? So she ordered gold color iPhone, and we'll see what's else inside. We have here the USB port, and what is this? I think this is for the SIM card. Okay, so this iPhone is a wireless phone charging up to 15 watts. Yes, that is from my source, from the iPhone 12 Pro, apple.com. So can we open it now? Wait, let's check. What is this? So here we have buttons here. Okay, we have 3 buttons here. So this is the mute this is to mute the volume, and this is also the volume up and volume down. So here is the power, and we have here the 3 cameras. We have here also, wait, can we just open this first? Let's open this. This one is the built-in speaker and microphone, and we have here also the what is this, lightning connector here in the middle, and also built-in microphone and built-in stereo speaker here. Okay, so this is very nice. See? So here we have here the USB port. I think this is mag-free USB port, and we don't have the charger itself because this is a wireless charger. So, and also I think headset or also our earphones are sold separately, so it's not included on the box. And okay, can we open it now? we'll see what's inside once you open it. So the capacity of this phone is 12 GB, 128 GB, and the size and weight will be I will just add on the description box, and the other the other specifications on the description below. You just wait why it's not opening. Still it's loading. Okay, it says hello. So there's a greeting on different languages. It says hello. See? It takes time to open, but we'll see why is it. It says swipe up to open. Here it says swipe up to open. I didn't notice that, so I swipe it up, and let's choose English language. Okay, so I will not go through this because I'm not the owner of this phone, so we'll just give this to the owner and let her do her job. Okay. So again, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button, and don't forget also to like and to hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Okay, so see you guys again for the next unboxing. Bye!